Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame, gold can give us significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first of all, let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, what we see that gold is a long-term bullish market. If we look at the historical market structure, we see that gold was respecting this long-term previous support and resistance for an extended period of time. If you draw this level, we can see that the market was respecting this resistance here on the monthly, turn here, support here, and also with this red candle, it formed a support in that zone. Now, if we look at recent time frame, we see that gold in fact has broken this monthly support zone and again has gone up, created a strong liquidity gap or a false breakout on the monthly. It's a big move, and then gold has broken this support which turned resistance, and then we can see that the market again tested this previous support here as a support again, and from that level we have seen that there is another bullish engulfer has created on the monthly time frame. Now this is the overall picture. Now with that monthly bullish engulfer, we saw that it has formed in a monthly level of support, and multiple times the market grabbed liquidity on the lower time frame, created a higher low along the zone on gold, and formed this monthly bullish engulfer. Now previous months we have seen that as a continuation pattern form a doji that has a long wick at the top and also narrow wick at the bottom. If you draw this monthly resistance level here along these two monthly candle, we see that the market respecting this previous resistance here on the monthly as a support, and as soon as this market opened this month, we saw that the market has a bounce to the upside. So far still showing bullish pattern in this market. Now if you look at the weekly time frame on gold, we can see possible bullish pattern. If you closely look at this two weekly candle in this long-term bullish market, first of all we saw that there is an inverted head and shoulder. The price has broken to the upside, formed this triangular pattern on the month weekly, and we saw that with that triangular pattern the price from the weekly just penetrated that level, the support to the downside, and as soon as grab liquidity here has gone up from this weekly middleman followed by a weekly doji that has again started to drop to the downside. Now last 2 weeks we see that the same kind of pattern is being repeated. We saw that there is a weekly doji previous week. This is what exactly expected in my weekly forex forecast. You have seen that, and we saw that this week the market has just broken that support, and again the price grab liquidity and again aggressively has gone to the upside. As we saw that previous time when the market grabbed liquidity, same kind of pattern repeated. We can expect now gold to move to the upside a little further to fill that imbalance in that zone. So with that respect, let's look at the daily time frame, how the price action has done. Now from the daily we can see that gold, this is the previous weekly support, this is the new daily one candle range, and then finally we saw that after grabbing liquidity the market has broken to the upside, crossing this 20 EMA on the daily time frame, and we see the multiple times the, according to our TF strategic, gold is showing potential bullish movement to the upside. Now with that respect, if we look at the further lower time frame, we can see that there is a strong liquidity grab. You can see this 4 hour candle with this doji, the market has crossed couple of candles low, and there was a huge liquidity from this weekly support. Gold has completely broken to the upside. This is the zone that we saw that gold now is consolidating, whereas the news is coming. So as soon as we will see that the market has given us another opportunity, as you can see when this market is consolidating here, we need to see a lower time frame liquidity grab along the zone where there is the previous resistance also turns support. This is the very important level of resistance here which is turning support here, anytime on the lower time frame, if we see that gold has grabbed strong liquidity along the zone, as soon as we will find an entry, we'll consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. What I think that gold in that move, we could see at least hitting that resistance level. So based on the lower time frame price action, we will consider going long. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.